Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 300 L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps low roof van spares OR repairs Grinbargen. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117628. MOT, the 22nd of July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very easy and simple for someone who knows what they're doing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative